Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Odd Grimkin Tales quest in Heartopia game. Okay, after you took the quest, you need to find 3 persons. They are Andrew, Masimo, and also Ka-ching. And I've already talked to Ka-ching about the Snow Grimkin Tales, so it's already completed. And then now it's time to track Andrew. Andrew is not far from here, so I'm going to meet him first. He's right here, and then we need to talk about the Snow Grimkin Tales with him. Okay, like this, guys. Okay, done. And then I'm going to meet Masimo at the Winter Utopia. Wait. Alright, this is Masimo, and then I'm going to ask him about the Odd Grimkin Tales. Okay. And done. I've already completed the Odd Grimkin Tales. But wait, we still need to talk to Annie. Annie is not far from here, so let's just meet her. She's also at the Winter Utopia. And okay, talk about the Odd Grimkin Tales. Okay, and I got the Fashion Wave tokens as the rewards. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the Odd Grimkin Tales quest in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!